EG's going to press forward into the bomb site, but they're going to be boxed in very quickly. Automatic's already got to have duty to stop this, but it's too late. It's too late. He trades him off, but the bomb hits the deck. Another kill for Automatic. And there's Nealon pushed up, traded off by XANTARES, and Breeze now in the bomb site. Going to try and find a safe evacuation route.
Trying to find a safe one. XANTARES is going to find another on Breeze. That's a quick kill. Automatic yesterday. He struggled. Struggling to hit the shots today as well. XANTARES is going to put him down. He needs a better day today. I've got to say it, Tim. He did not look himself yesterday at all.
No, that was certainly a head-scratching performance. That was a little bit frustrating to watch because I mean, especially for a long time since this EG roster has been put together since he returned from Valorant, he has been a very consistent, strong player for EG, and obviously it hasn't been manifesting here at ESL Pro League. So we'll see